Microsoft Azure offers a service called Azure Compute Gallery, which is designed to simplify the management of custom VM images. With Azure Compute Gallery, you can centralize your images, scale deployments, and enhance the performance of your virtual machines. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT Webcast. In this video, we will walk through how to create and manage a compute gallery in Azure. The Azure Compute Gallery allows you to store and manage custom VM images and other resources in a central repository. It provides key features such as versioning, global replication, and scaling. With versioning, the Compute Gallery maintains multiple versions of your custom VM images. With global replication, it distributes your image globally, ensuring faster deployments in different regions. By scaling, it helps scale VM deployments across regions while using the same base image. Before you begin, ensure that you have an active Azure subscription and an Azure resource group. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a free trial at the Azure portal. Create a resource group to organize and manage your gallery resources. In the first step, we need to log into the Azure portal. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to portal.azure.com and sign in with your Azure account. In the search bar at the top of the portal, tap Azure Compute Gallery. Under Services, select Azure Compute Gallery. This will open the Azure Compute Gallery page. To create a new Azure Compute Gallery, click on Create. Select the relevant subscription and the resource group. You can choose an existing resource group or create a new one to store the Compute Gallery. For this example, I have already created a resource group named VM Labs. Enter a name for the Compute Gallery. Gallery names must be unique within your subscription. Keep in mind that the gallery name can't contain dashes. Select the desired region. In this example, the region will be East US. You can enter a short description to specify the purpose of the gallery. For example, my compute gallery for testing. Click on Next Sharing Method button. Compute Gallery lets you share custom VM images and application packages with others in your organization, within or across region, or within a tenant. You can define what resources you want to share, the regions where you want to make them available, and the users you want to share them with. Resources can be replicated to multiple regions for quicker scaling of your deployments. You can create multiple galleries so that you can logically group resources. We can share the Compute Gallery using 3 different methods. By default, the role-based access control sharing method is selected. Using Azure RBAC roles, you can share these resources with users, service principals, and groups. You can even share access with individuals outside the tenant where they were created. Once users have access, they can use the gallery resources to deploy a virtual machine or a virtual machine scale set. The second option is not available because our subscription is not registered for the Microsoft Compute Direct Shared Galleries feature. As of this video recording, this feature is in preview mode. You must register your subscription to directly share galleries across other subscription and tenants. The third method allows you to share a gallery with all Azure users, creating what is known as a community gallery. Anyone with an Azure subscription can use community galleries. Users who create the virtual machine can browse through images shared with the community by using the Azure portal, the REST API, or the Azure CLI. Sharing images with the community is a new feature in the Azure Compute Gallery. For now, we are using the role-based access control sharing method. Select Review plus Create. Wait for the validation to complete. In our case, the validation was successful. Review your selections, then click the Create button to create the Compute Gallery. Wait for the deployment to complete. This may take a few seconds. When the deployment completes, select Go to Resource. We have successfully created the Azure Compute Gallery. You can now add custom VM images and VM application definitions to this Compute Gallery. To do this, click Add, then select either VM image or VM application definition. After adding the custom VM image to the Compute Gallery, you can then create and deploy VMs using this gallery. In upcoming videos, we will learn how to capture a Windows virtual machine image and add it to the Compute Gallery. We will also cover how to deploy a VM using the custom image from the gallery. Step 2. Share the Compute Gallery using role-based access control. Open the Compute Gallery you want to share. In the left menu, select Access Control. Click on Add and then select Add Role Assignment. Under Role, select Reader and then click Next. Choose Select Members. From the list, select the user account. You can type in the select box to search the directory for display name or email address. Select David Smith and again click on Select. In this example, we are assigning the reader role to David Smith. If the selected user is outside your organization, a message will appear stating this user will receive an email that enables them to collaborate with Microsoft. Click Next to continue. Review the role assignment settings. Once everything is confirmed, click Review plus Assign to assign the role. After a few moments, the user will be assigned the role for the selected Compute Gallery. Wait for the confirmation notification to appear. Go to the Role Assignments tab. Verify that David Smith is listed with the reader role and that the scope is this resource. This is how we can share Compute Gallery using the role-based access control method. Step 3. How to delete a Compute Gallery. Go to Overview tab. To delete an existing Compute Gallery, click on the gallery name you want to delete. In the top bar, click Delete. In the confirmation pop-up, click OK to delete the gallery. Wait for the confirmation notification to appear. I'm not going to delete the gallery because we are going to use this Azure Compute Gallery in the next video. That's all for this video on creating and managing Azure Compute Gallery using the Azure portal. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Azure and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.